In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style image captions Squarespace. By the end, your captions will look intentional, be easy to read, and match the overall tone of your site. Start on your Squarespace dashboard and open your site's main area by clicking Website. This takes you into the place where all the visual controls live, so you can preview changes in real time as you work. Next, head into Styles. This is your design control center. Everything we'll touch, fonts and colors, will directly influence how image captions appear across your site, because captions inherit these global styles. Open the Fonts panel. Captions typically use your site's paragraph or supporting text styles, so what you choose here matters a lot for readability. Browse the recommended font packs. Each pack is a curated pairing designed to look balanced together, with sensible defaults for headings, paragraphs, buttons, and supporting text. When you hover or select a pack, watch the live preview. Look for a body text face that remains crisp at smaller sizes, since captions are often on the smaller side. A clean sans serif or a highly legible serif both work well. What's important is clarity. If your preview includes images with captions, keep an eye on letter spacing and weight so the text doesn't look cramped. You can always come back and try another pack until the caption text feels just right. Now move to colors. Captions draw their color from your site's color theme, so the palette you choose will determine contrast and legibility. Open the recommended color palettes and try a few that fit your brand. As you test palettes, look specifically at text-on-image scenarios in the preview. You want strong contrast. Dark text on light backgrounds or light text on dark backgrounds. If your site uses images with varying brightness, choose a palette whose default text colors remain readable in most cases. Neutrals for body text are often safest, with accent colors reserved for links or hover states. Again, let the live preview guide you. Your goal is to make the caption text easy to scan without overpowering the image. When you're happy with the overall look, click Save. Give your site a quick check on a couple of pages that include images to confirm captions remain clear at different sizes and in different sections. If anything feels off, revisit fonts to try a different pack or colors to test another palette, then save again. That's it. Your image captions now follow a consistent, polished style that supports your brand and improves readability across your site.